and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lamini, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck my eyebrows and how I do my eyebrows for my makeup looks. And this is how it looks at the end. So if you would like to see how I got this, please do continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, and I hope to see you in the next video too. This is the eyebrow that I've already done, and this is the one that I'm about to show you guys. Okay, we're going to start by brushing the hairs up. This is how I hold it, and then I pluck going that way, so the opposite direction, because I find that easy for me. And then I take the brush and then I brush the hairs down. I just pluck at the top here. You know, those little hairs that we can't see but still make a huge difference, you know, when they are gone. I just take some of this concealer on the back of my hand, and then I take a darker shade and mix that together. Using this flat brush, I just mix that together. I hope you guys really loved this video, and I hope you guys really found some tips and tricks, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next video.